Hi friends, this week we are on lesson 16. For our reading, we are reading Judy, Moody Saves the World. Our vocabulary this week is recycle, project, dripping, carton, complicated, pollution, rubbish, hardly, shade, and global. Recycle. When people recycle old bottles, the glass can be used again. Project. This garden is a neighborhood project. Many people work on it. Dripping. This faucet is dripping water. Each drop of water is wasted. Carton. A carton or light cardboard container can be recycled after each use. Complicated. One complicated or difficult part of recycling can be sorting plastic. Pollution. Noise pollution or too many loud sounds can be bad for our hearing. Rubbish. The more rubbish or trash people make, the more room it takes up. Hardly. Some light bulbs use a lot of energy. This bulb uses hardly any energy. Shade. The shade from this tree keeps the house cool in the summer. Global. Air pollution is a global problem. It affects people all over the world. Our target skill this week will be theme and story structure. Story structure. Each main part of a story builds on earlier sections of the story. As you read Judy, Moody Saves the World, pay attention to details about the characters, setting, and plot, events in the first chapter. Then look to see how the second chapter uses those details to continue the story. Use a graphic organizer like this one to help you connect the characters, settings, and plot in each chapter. Remember, the setting is where the story takes place. Characters are who's in the story, and your plot are your events, what happens in the story, the beginning, middle, and end. Our target strategy is monitor and clarify. As you read, monitor or note any story details that are unclear. Reread or read ahead to help you clarify or understand what happens. So we are reading Judy, Moody Saves the World. Our essential question is, why is it important to take care of our environment? This story was written by Megan McDonald. Once while Megan McDonald was visiting a school, some students asked her, "Are you ever in a bad mood?" This got her thinking about creating a character with lots of different moods. Judy Moody was born. Many of Judy Moody's adventures actually happened to McDonald when she was a child. The illustrator of this story is Peter H. Reynolds. He and his twin brother started writing their own books when they were about 7. Reynolds has been drawing and telling stories ever since. After illustrating more than 7 Judy Moody books, he feels like Judy Moody's family is part of his own family. This story is humorous fiction, which is a funny, imaginative story that may be realistic or unrealistic. As you're reading, look for story events that are intended to be funny, characters that behave in humorous ways, and a plot with a beginning, middle, and end. Alright guys, now you're going to go read or listen to your story and then use this story to take your comprehension test. Good luck!